Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are here with the Megalook hair. Y'all look at her. But anyway, y'all, I'm installing their 13x4 Crystal HD Lace Frontal Wig. This is a body wave textured hair, as you guys can see. She's 26 inches, but look at the lace. I'm always here for some crystal HD lace. Okay, it's very much see-through, and that's what we need. You can wear this unit glueless. As you see, there's an elastic band. There is drawstrings at the nape, and of course, some combs to help secure your wig down. So I'm just taking my comb and just, detangling it for the first time. But this is how much shedding I got from that process. So I'm going to go in and bleach my knots. I'm using my Wella Charm bleach by Brilliance Blonde Developer. And I'll have all these products listed in the description section below. But I did mix it until it was this consistency and it's, thicker than toothpaste. But I spread this throughout the entire unit. Evenly, okay, evenly. Get every area of that lace. And y'all know it's some true HD lace when you can actually see the mannequin. Like, you can see through that lace and you can actually see the mannequin head. So I am excited to install this, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 to 30 minutes eyeing it. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of my foil and I'm just gonna cover this. This actually helps the knots process faster, but like I said, just check it depending on your mixture you use. Keep an eye on it. So I rinsed it out, and girl, them knots look good, okay? So I'm just parting throughout the unit so you guys can get a feel of the frontal, how much room you got to part and stuff. And I'm here for it, okay? I am here for it. Look how good this lace looks. Now taking my Erica J wax sticks, I'm gonna place this all over the hairline, and then I'm gonna follow up with my Paul Mitchell's. I love this stuff. I don't put too much, just put a little bit and put it right on top of that. I'm just gonna take my hot comb and just hot comb this hairline, y'all. I did not pluck this hairline at all. In these clips that I'm showing you right now, I did not pluck them. And I did eventually go in and pluck it, but I didn't do too much. But look how good this hairline looks just with me hot combing the hairline. It looks hecka good. I'm just going into each section to make sure it's super duper flat. If you want your units to be super flat, just make sure you go into sections, add wax on each side of the hair, and press that hot comb down. Okay, look how good that looks, y'all. And like I said, it has not been plucked. They did a dang thing with this unit. Okay, that hairline impeccable, flawless. Do y'all see that? You don't need to pluck it. For what? For why? I placed the wig on my head, okay, and she is giving what she's supposed to give. Look at her, okay? Y'all see it? It's natural shine, luster, body, okay? I went in with my barrel brush to actually, blow dry it, and then I used some of my sheen spray. But look at this hairline, y'all. Y'all see that? It's giving. So now I'm just cutting off the lace. In my personal opinion, the less the lace, the better. So once that is cut off, we're going to go in and secure it down. I'm going in with my favorite ebon lace spray. And I'm just going to take about 1 to 2 layers and place it in the areas that I want my wig to lay down in. I would feel like if you're a beginner, I probably say this in every video, working sections, do not try to adhere the whole wig down at once, because it's just a mess. It just never works. So working sections is the best way to go. I use my fingers to help keep my lace in place while I'm fixing it. Now you guys notice I did not tint the lace because this is HD lace. It literally melts right into your skin. However, I didn't wipe the makeup off underneath my lace either. So yeah, but anyway, y'all, I'm just lifting up the lace and adding more lace spray where it is needed, because you know, if you pull back on the lace and anything's lifting up, of course you want some more security. So I take the back of my comb and melt that down into my forehead. And before I actually lay each section down, I like to go in and fit it to where I think I want it, and then I go back and add the spray. So that really helps as well, just so you'll know where to lay the product and you have an idea of where you want your wig to sit at. This is what the lace looks like. I'm just going to add a little bit of cream foundation lightly to the lace. So I'm taking 2 elastic bands and wrapping that around there and letting that sit for about 3 minutes. Alright, so this is what the lace is giving us, okay? Not too shabby. I'm going into attempt to do the style that I seen online, okay? So I'm just making a curved part, like a deep side part at first. And then I switch over. Y'all see that, though? It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. But now I'm just going to go in and do some baby hairs. This step is always optional. You don't have to do it. So I just take a little piece, add a little of my gummy wax gel, and then swoop it and trim as needed. If you do struggle, just use a 1-inch flat iron. I feel like it just gets the job done. You don't have to worry about swooping as much because, you know, your curls just form into place. Now we're just going to attempt to execute this style. So I'm just parting on the side because when I'm doing my ponytail, I don't want too much hair in it, because I feel like when you put too much hair or attempt to put it in a ponytail, like the lace be bumpy and lumpy and stuff. So I try to section it off so it won't be that much. You know, I want it to be super flat, so I'm taking my brush as well to help, you know, put it in a ponytail. So yeah, and I'm just using these Dollar Tree rubber bands and we're just gonna call it a day, okay? So I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb to flat iron this section down just a little bit more. I think my problem with this style was I didn't like this side part. I felt like if I had did the swoop, like the deep side part on the other side, it would have been perfecto, okay? But I did not like that part on that side at all. But now I'm just taking my, I forgot what this curling iron was called, but I'm taking this curling iron and I'm just gonna do some curls with it. Like I said, if y'all seen the hair doing a little bit like of a tangly thing when I was parting, I put too much of that sheen oil in the hair, and y'all know if you put too much of that in there, it's gonna weigh your hair down and it becomes stringy. So be mindful to don't use a lot of, you know, sheen spray on your hair. But that product I showed y'all, I love it. It smells good and it just, you know, it just brings that natural shine back to the unit. So this is what it looked like. I feel like it was cute. It's okay, but I didn't like the part. So I just switched it back to a middle part and just, I didn't even recurl it. I only recurled the bang part that I left out, and then, you know, called it a day because I didn't like it. So I feel like, you know, that's why my baby hairs look weird, because the baby hairs was for that style and not this one. But hey, we got to work with what we got to work with. So I used some of my cream foundation to define the part. And that is it. I really enjoy working with this unit, y'all. As y'all can see, it's flawless. I don't have any complaints. It does shed, it does tangle here and there. That's just the normal. Nothing to worry about. But if you guys are interested in this hair, don't forget to check the description section down below for a coupon code as well to save you some coins. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.